Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to search settings using your voice on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So instead of tapping through endless menus, you can basically say search settings followed by what you want, like maybe battery optimization, dark mode, screen timeout, and so on. Your Galaxy will basically take you right there. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up settings. And let's just say, for example, I want to search for a setting. So I'll go ahead and use this search feature here. Search for dark mode settings. As you can see, it has taken me to dark mode. Search for navigation bar. So this removes the frustration of hunting for buried settings. It's faster, easier, and more accessible, especially if you're in a rush or you're multitasking. So there you go, guys. That is how to search settings using your voice on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.